Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing you another brand new listing in Griffin Ranch, 81720 Macbeth. Come on in. Welcome to the interior of the property. This is the Belmont Plan 3 in Griffin Ranch. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 3,500 square feet, 2 fireplaces, huge open floor plan, formal dining, and small den. The interior property features big tile floors, large baseboard. Kitchen features granite slab countertops, high-end appliances including Monogram and Wolf, all custom light features throughout, crown molding, and the best part about it, it comes furnished per seller's inventory. Welcome to one of the most special features about this property. This is called the Casita, also known as the NextGen suite in this floor plan. Direct access to the outside, direct access to the rest of the house, 1-car garage, semi-kitchen, you have sink, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, mini washer dryer in the closet, and a full bedroom. Welcome to the epitome of outdoor-indoor living. 2 10-foot bifold doors. This is 500 square feet of living space outside, TV, fireplace, direct access to the master, and another access to the formal dining area. To finish off this beautiful listing in Griffin Ranch, big Pebble Tech pool and spa, custom fire pit, outdoor barbecue, and the west-facing mountain views. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Griffin Ranch, 81720 Macbeth. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct.